in the eye. Wink your left eye. Run to the ball. Jump up and shoot the ball. Which kind nonsense technique be this one? Who even writes this nonsense book?
You no sabi who write the book. Na you dey read am.
Name abeg give me job. Person wey write am don carry word best.
Na Jorginho write am o.
Who be Jorginho?
One player like that wey dey play for Chelsea. He dey wear number 5 jersey.
I no sabi any player like that for Chelsea o.
Okay, the guy no sabi run and na Italian Brazilian, but he dey play for Italy. And the guy na midfielder.
I swear, I no sabi that guy o. Na only few players I sabi for Chelsea. Like that black French guy wey short like me. And that stubborn Spanish goalkeeper.
So you no sabi that guy wey village people swear for am say him no go fit ever score normal goal.
Wait, na him be that?
Na him na.
You don't mean it.
Na why the guy write this book na? Him study picology. Na the only thing wey him sabi be that.
No wonder. Chai, I dey pity for the guy. So you mean to tell me say he never score normal goal for him career?
No, him don score some before him village people swear for am.
Chai, na so my village people swear for me say I no go ever carry any national trophy. But God pass them.
No be lie. Why dey read the book na?
Omo, this PK thing, he don tire me. How a whole world best like me go dey miss PK anyhow? Haba.
Calm down na. We win game.
Comrade, no be back how we dey o. You no see say this small boy don dey squeeze us enter in small shadow?
Oh, so you no dey like for person to put you inside in shadow? Na you suffocate me for your shadow for how many years? Still follow me come PSG to finally suffocate my career. I pray make your shadow lost for inside in shadow. Nonsense word best.
Abeg, make I use this small time tell you about our better sponsors wey be 1xBet. People don dey cash out tey for this their platform. Based on say na dem be the best and most reliable betting platform wey dey. If you wan register, you fit do am for free for their Naija website with our promo code GNEXT so that dem go fit give you 200% of your first deposit to take bet. Dem even get new offer wey dem dey call hyper bonus, where you fit win better gadgets and $30,000. Remember to read their rules and conditions for each bonus o, and no forget to bet responsibly. Thank you.
Hello? Na who be dis?
Na your guy Klopp o.
Hope say you no wan invite me come meeting because I no dey go anywhere.
Haba no na, you get big match on Saturday. You no need to dey waste time for meeting.
Why you come dey call me?
You see I no go lie you. Na beg I come beg. Dis Man City boys dey give me sleepless nights. I no fit concentrate to chop food sef.
Why you come dey tell me? I disable doctor?
If you fit just help me win Man City, I go finish the remaining job myself when I meet them for second leg.
It's like you no know say I dey currently battle with 3 straight EPL defeats.
That one no mean anything na. If you wan beat Man City, you go beat them.
Wetin you dey talk? You get just what I get wey I no do?
No dey do like say na today you start dey do match fixing. You don do am before. Just do am again.
Your father, it's like your head don knock.
Abeg na all of us I dey try help o. If City win this league, all of us go turn to farmers o.
See club, carry your matter go do faster than player. I no dey do.
Hello? See person wey I dey try help to finish top 4. I go just leave all of una for this Premier League make una dey farm dey go. Nonsense. Oh, abeg comot for here. I dey busy. See Kochi, no dey carry me dey joke for this club o. I come this club before you. If you do anyhow, I go pursue you. Calm down na. Wetin happen? This gold rat wey bin dey worry me. You know say na you cause am ba? You carry me dey put for game on and off like say I be NEPA. No play with my career o. But no be only you dey squad na. Other boys like which other boys? Boys wey no fit trap ball, na dem go bench me. Even the goal wey I score na me assist myself. But wetin? See, I don tell you my old o. No dey carry my career dey flash like NEPA light. I go sack you for this club if you try nonsense. But no be you employ me o. Try me first na. It's like this interim job don tire you.